Yeah, they love it when I pop shit. Hoes up when I talk shit. I just pulled up on the block on some bar shit. Niggas in the closet.
Alright, y'all, welcome to AniMonday365. This is Reacts number 2, and we're going to be watching the newest release of the Chainsaw Man anime trailer. I am so hyped for this. If y'all don't know, Chainsaw Man is one of my favorite mangas right now. I've read it from start to finish, and I really can't wait what Mappa has in store for us to watch with Chainsaw Man. So without further ado, let's get right into it with Chainsaw Man. Oh, snap. Oof. My boy Denji at it. Oh my gosh. Yo, the animation is wild, bruh. Yo! Oh man, y'all not ready for Chainsaw Man, bruh? Y'all not ready? Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god! Oh, it's not over. Oh, it's over. Okay. Whoo! Yo! Yo! Mikaba, Denji, Power. Yo, the animation is top tier, bruh. Oh my gosh, dog. Woo! Yo, that was dope. That was dope. I'm hype. I'm so hyped right now. Like, yo, they even had the scene with the graves, cemeteries. That's a focal point scene right there. Yo, Chainsaw Man about to take all the world, bruh. Like I said, you heard it here first on AniMonday365, bruh. Chainsaw Man. Check out that trailer. Link will be in the description. This is your boy Aqthesinger. Stay tuned for more reacts and new series on the channel. This is your boy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is AniMonday365. Peace.